How you doing?
Have you got enough space?
No.
Woo!
Yes, move back.
This is alright? How are you? You all okay? Is my makeup okay?
You look gorgeous.
Guys, join me.
Ah.
Let's make it happen all the way across the crowd.
I'd love. So, this can you all hear me? Is it okay? I know I'm only tiny.
She's wee.
Okay, I'll sing as loud as I can. This last one is called in Dictum. Yeah! Oh, Jesus, out of tune.
Sounds beautiful. Don't worry.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you the truth, as I only do, my friend. I'll be living my youth as I live till my end, my friend. I've been battered and bruised, but it's only a few that have stayed or left. And that's nothing a hammer, a nail, or my mind couldn't cure. But I've left people hang on a stick or a word if their grip grew tight. Oh, the bottles, the battles, the beds that I've shared are all mine. But the more you hold on to me, the less I learn to have of me. The more you hold on to me, yeah, the less I am yours to keep. Well, I'll tell you the truth, if that's what you want, my friend. Sometimes being a friend is not saying a word, my friend. Sorry. Sorry. I've been shattered and shoved, and I have shattered and shoved, but my mind is clear. And I've chosen my women, my men, and I've chosen my fears. Yeah, oh, but I've loved with the marrow that fills up my bones, and I always will. If you're with me or not, all depends if you hold me too near.
But the more you hold on to me, the less you'll have of me. The more you hold on to me, the less I am yours to keep. The more you hold on to me, the less I am have of me. The more you hold on to me,
the less I am yours or me,
the less I am yours for me.
there are devils inside that I'm not that I'm not ashamed to be. But the more you hold on to me, the less you can have of me. The more you hold on to me, wait, I'll try, wait, I'll try not to leave.
Oh, fuck, man, that was awesome.